There are many different disclosures that are required in real estate transactions. Some of them might seem irrelevant and somewhat repetitive at times, but the disclosures are needed for your transaction to ensure your transaction is compliant with state regulations. At this point, you should have already received our previous presentation for the seller property questionnaire and transfer disclosure statement. The agent visual disclosure is a form that the seller's and buyer's agent must complete when provide when selling or representing the buyers in a real estate transaction. Its purpose is to disclose any known visual defects or issues with the property that are readily observable upon inspection. In California, sellers must provide a water-conserving fixture and carbon monoxide detector notice when selling a residential property. This disclosure aims to inform potential buyers about the presence and functionality of these important features in the property. The State Buyer and Seller Advisory Disclosure is a comprehensive document providing important information and guidance to buyers and sellers involved in a real estate transaction. This advisory serves as a tool to educate and inform parties about various aspects of the transaction, potential risk, and legal considerations. It covers topics as the role of real estate agents, property inspection, disclosure, financing, insurance, escrow, and more. The Fire Hardening and Defensible Space Advisory Disclosure and Addendum is a document provided to buyers and sellers in areas prone to wildfires, particularly in California. This advisory emphasizes the importance of fire prevention and safety measures related to the property. The Water Heater and Smoke Detector Statement of Compliance is a document that verifies the condition and functionality of the water heater and smoke detectors in a residential property. This statement is typically required during the sale of or transfer of property to ensure compliance with safety regulations. Sellers are responsible for completing this form and confirming that the water heater meets local building codes and that the smoke detectors are installed and in working order. The seller's affidavit of non-foreign status is a legal document completed by the sellers in real estate transactions involving a foreign buyer or potential foreign investment. This affidavit confirms that the seller is a U.S. citizen, resident alien, or domestic entity and is not considered a foreign person for tax purposes. The Contra Costa County Disclosures and Disclaimers Advisory is a document provided to buyers and sellers involved in real estate transactions within Contra Costa County in California. This advisory informs parties about specific local requirements, regulations, and potential property-specific concerns within the county. It covers various topics such as environmental hazards, special tax assessments, utility services, and zoning restrictions. The lead-based paint and lead-based paint hazards disclosure, acknowledgement, and addendum are important documents provided to buyers and sellers in real estate transactions, and this disclosure is required if your home was built before 1978. The square footage and lot size disclosure and advisory is a document that provides information about the square footage and the lot size of a residential property being sold. It aims to ensure transparency and accuracy, representing the physical dimensions of the property to potential buyers, allowing them to make informed decisions. The Market Conditions Advisory is a document that provides information and insights regarding the current state of real estate markets. It offers overview of the prevailing conditions, trends, and factors that can influence property values and market dynamics. The Residential Safety Guides Acknowledgement and Delivery Receipt is a document that acknowledges the delivery and receipt of safety guides pertaining to residential properties. These safety guides provide important information and guidelines to various safety measures to be followed by homeowners or tenants. The acknowledgement document confirms the receipt has received and understands the safety guides, which may cover topics such as fire safety, emergency preparation, electrical safety, and other safety practices. The What's Your Home Energy Rating signature page is a confirmation you received a digital booklet on home energy rating that evaluates a property's energy efficiency and performance by a certified professional. It assesses various aspects such as insulation, windows, HVAC systems, and appliances to provide an overall rating that indicates how energy efficient the home is and identifies opportunities for improvement to reduce energy consumption and cost. The Key Safe Lockbox Addendum is a document that allows authorized parties, such as real estate agents or property managers, to securely assess a property using a safeguard or lockbox system. In conclusion, sellers are required to complete listing disclosures for several important reasons. First, disclosures provide transparency to potential buyers, ensuring they have accurate and comprehensive information about the property's condition and any known issues. This promotes fair and informed decision making. Second, completing disclosures helps sellers fulfill legal obligations, reducing the risk of future disputes or litigation. By providing thorough and honest disclosures, sellers establish trust, protect their interests, and facilitate a smoother and more successful real estate transaction.